Breakups are one of the most painful experiences we go through. You might be asking yourself, what did I do wrong? Or, what can I do to take control again? But here's something you may not realize. You don't have to chase her to make her want you back. The secret to winning her back lies in something you might not have considered: Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that doesn't just help you endure pain, but actually builds strength, emotional control, and attraction. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Stoicism to regain your power and become more irresistible than ever before. Imagine being able to make her want you back without even saying a word. Want to know how? Keep watching. 1. Silence speaks volumes. After a breakup, our natural instinct is to explain ourselves, send messages to make things right. But the truth is, you need to do the opposite. Stop contacting her. Silence is your strength. Imagine her thinking, why isn't he reaching out? Why doesn't he care anymore? In reality, your silence creates a void that makes her start to realize your worth and strength. When you stop chasing, you begin to attract. The most powerful thing you can do during a breakup is say nothing at all. 2. Control your emotions. One of the most important principles of Stoicism is emotional control. In a breakup, you can easily be overwhelmed with anger, sadness, or even despair. But when you remain calm, you create curiosity. She may expect you to fall apart, to beg, to show how much you're hurting. But if you stay strong, she'll start to wonder, was breaking up with him the right choice? Why is he so calm? This is the true power of Stoicism. You don't have to hide your emotions, but you learn to rise above them. And that's what makes you attractive. 3. Revamp your life. A breakup is not the end. It's an opportunity for rebirth and growth. Every time you improve yourself, not only do you feel better, but you also become a stronger person. Start learning a new skill. Take care of your health. Pursue your passions. When she sees you becoming a better version of yourself, she'll start wondering, what's he up to? Who is he becoming? Self-improvement and growth are the most attractive traits. When you improve yourself, you not only grab her attention, but earn her respect. 4. Stop reaching out. This one's critical. The less you're available, the more valuable you become. I get it. You want to send that "I miss you" text or ask, "What are you doing?" But remember, you are not a backup plan. When you stop reaching out, you create a void that she will have to confront. The void of your absence. That absence will make her realize you don't need her to feel complete. And that's incredibly attractive. 5. Discipline is key. Stoicism teaches us about discipline, not rigidness, but the power of daily habits. Whether it's reading every day, sticking to a workout routine, or meditating, the small actions you take each day make you stronger and more grounded. Discipline doesn't just build a strong body, it creates a strong mind. A man with discipline is not easily shaken, and that's what makes you attractive. 6. Be polite, but distant. How you present yourself matters. You don't need to be rude or cold, but you also don't need to be the one who's always there when she calls. Show her that your time and presence are valuable. You don't need to be available every time she reaches out. A man who knows his worth will never let others take advantage of his availability. 7. Don't share your pain. This might be the hardest one to follow, but listen closely. Mystery is what's magnetic. When you share your pain on social media or talk about how heartbroken you are, you're showing desperation. And desperation is not attractive. Instead, Keep your emotions to yourself. Let her wonder, what's he feeling right now? That mystery will draw her back in. 8. Live with purpose. A man without a mission will be easily forgotten. But a man with a purpose, a career, a passion, that's the man who commands attention. When you live with purpose, you don't just become attractive, you become irresistible. She will watch you move forward and start asking herself, what am I missing? 9. Be willing to let go. This is the ultimate test of strength. The true strength of a man lies in knowing when to let go. If you're always willing to accept someone who's left you, you'll never be respected. A man who knows his worth, who understands that he deserves the best, is the man who always holds the power. And when she knows that you can let go, she will want you even more. The truth is, when you're strong and absent, they'll come back to you. Your consistency, silence, and inner strength will make her realize your true value. Don't let desperation consume you. Become a man with purpose, discipline, and emotional control. When you do this, she won't be able to resist coming back. If you want to learn more tips on self-development and how to become the best version of yourself, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Share your story with me in the comments. Have you ever tried Stoicism to get over a breakup? Let me know. You can do this. Be strong, stay focused, and remember, the real power comes from within you.